Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka Iran kalapin liambiang saya ke Nepal hajinya kun kebelalong hengasngi haka apusau tarik risau arja apusan haja wahala Nehru Stadium Pulu. Ka IR Iran kalapin liam dalai kulanot ke Nepal haka sian yelekai ke baa jong kedumpung yelekai Women's Tri Nation International Tournament kebelalong hapadeng kilai tadi kiri kata ke India, Nepal bat ke Iran. Ka Iran kalayo ke namla du habro ar tadi kicing yelekai persya ke India bat ke Nepal. Dak bakal penliam ke India da ar kulanot hak cing lekai ke Belalong hak ar poi tarik risau arja apusan. Ka India kan saya kun persya ke Nepal hak ar poi new tarik risau arja apusan. Kini ke cing lekai pedeng kini kilai tadi kiri ke long ban penkre ya ka AFC Women's Asian Cup Australia arja apuan rio. Hak ni si lasam ke trophy syakakin hun na Iran hak jinon lang Udidi Shira MCS Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Biwar Nongbri, Assistant Director, Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Bahamlat Sondokling, President, Meghalaya Football Association, Cliff Nongrum, Vice President, Meghalaya Football Association.
The play was very good. The match was a very good match, and we recognized that we knew that this match is very hard for us, and but we analyzed the Nepal team, and we could use. From the weakness of them, and thanks God we win.
می‌دونستیم بازی سخت میشه کنیم و خدا رو شکر تونستم دوباره تو زمین برم و گل بزنم. بچه‌ها امروز خیلی عالی بودن همه. فکر می‌کنم ما قبلا که با نپال بازی کردیم به این تیم باختیم و الان نشون دادیم که چقدر پیشرفت کردیم و حرفای زیادی برای گفتن داریم توی مسابقات.
She said that in the name of God, and she says that I'm very happy that I could go to the match and score again, and all of the players were good, very good, and we showed that we are better from the before and. Before because we lose from the Nepal, and she says we hope that we every day we be better from before. Ready for the Asian Cup in Australia, and because of this we attend in this tournament. And after that, we have many camping in Iran, and we have many planning for the training and more. And we must be ready for the Asian Cup. She says that both of the team was very good, and we respect to both of them. But she sensed that this match was better, and this match was more harder for us. She said that I think that we didn't use from our opportunity in the first half, and in the halftime the head coach speak with them. And they can use from the speaking of the head coach, and they could score. She says that both of them, both Fatankas and Ansari Didar, are the player of the Khatun Bam Khatun in Iran, and they have Asian Cup. And special league of the clubs. She says we are a team, and all of the players helped me to both of the matches. And if they weren't, she couldn't score.
Really nice, and also the audience was really good in Shillong. And our main thing is that we play the match with top team, high-level team. So it's good for us for the next other matches.
This is the second time you are.
This is the second time. First time we won by 2018, and this is our second time.
So all the years, second time.
Yeah, the moment Iran team, now Iran team is improving more and more, and they are going up. We saw also in the ranking, now they are improving a lot because physically they are looking good in the pitch too. So their advantage is physical and strength. So they put same thing today they also, and they have good physical strength. So we are also lacking the strength too.
So what are the issues?
More things. It's good for us to play with the big team. So we learn so many things, and we try to correct today match, and then we will try to correct it in the next game. So we are success in our class. We create chance. Consider first half success, but in second half, the lack of coordination between keeper and defense line, and they had the opportunity first goal and second goal in the third goal. So lack of coordination between defense and keeper. But after that, we played 2 or 3 second half also. We created so many chances, but we didn't get that chances. So Iran team, they create chances and they scored the goal. That's why we lost the game. After 1 goal, we lost our tempo. That's it. Yes, we get 2 or 3 opportunities. But if you didn't grab that opportunity, definitely opponent grab the chances and they create goal. But also the lack of scoring. We saw the lack of scoring in the front line too, because we didn't grab that opportunity. That we grabbed that opportunity, the game is in other way.
What was the pitch and what was the condition?
We have good experience. How we play, making it clear. How we have to play with tough team. Go for the 3 points too. That team is also tough team for us. They are also ranking wise. They are also tough. We played so many times with the team, so definitely we go for the win.